Hi guys. So I wanted to make a quick little video to show you how I'm going to set up my office hours if you wanted to do that. If you don't want to, you're not going to hurt my feelings. So what I did is I created a new team right here. Let me move my little screen. Create a new team, then create. I did it as other, but I guess you could do it as any of them. And then I just did Mrs. Began office hours. Spelled it right though. And then whatever description, and then keep it private, and then next. Oh, I already did. So I skipped this part. Then if you click the ellipses, you can get the link to your team. When I tried to add members for all, so this is for all my students when they need to meet with me during my office hours, it wasn't letting me just import from Atlas or even Excel. So I made a link, and then you can just copy and paste this link to your classes. So if I copy it, and then I have Mrs. Kennedy right here, and I'll show you how I just paste. So what your student would do is they would just click the link, and then do you want to click it? So see, it says Michelle requested to join your team, and then I can just press accept. So all your students can just request to join your class, and then you can accept all. So that's something that is going to be helpful for me. Hope that helps.